Dr. Sharvari Mirgunde from Kolhapur. I am a consulting gynecologist practicing in Kolhapur since last almost 18 years. Today I am going to show you very short but very nutritious recipe which children will definitely love. And today we are going to make soya corn soup. It is very delicious and very nutritious also, because we see that children love soup, but when they want soup we go to market, we bring the ready-made soups and make it. But are they really nutritious? They are very spicy, they are very what you can say, very much having some preservatives and all. So to avoid this completely, we are going to make very nice and quick procedure of soya corn soup. So now let us see the ingredients required for this. Okay, so I will show you all the ingredients what we are going to require. This is the soya seeds. Okay, so these soya seeds are important ingredient. This you can get in the market, or we are having our own farm, so we get it from our own farm. So these are the dried soya seeds. You can see these are the dried soya seeds. Rest of the ingredients, I have made a paste of coriander stalks. Okay, so usually many people they waste this coriander stalk, but I am going to make the use of this coriander stalks. So I have made a paste of coriander, then garlic and ginger. So this is a paste made of these ingredients. This is a jeera powder. This is salt. This is coriander. This is dried coconut. This is dried coconut. These are the corn seeds. So you can see these are the corn seeds, and this is what you call kandyachi paat. We have made very fine chops of that. Okay, onion leaves you can say, which are available fresh. So we have made it into a fine choppings. And this is what I have made is the paste of this soya bean. So how to make the paste of this soya bean? So I have soaked this soya bean for 1 day in water. Then I have put the wet seeds of soya bean into sprout maker. So there were some sprouts to these soya bean seeds. Okay, then I have made a paste of this soya bean. You can see the consistency. Okay, so this is a fine paste of this soya seeds. You can put little water and make the paste of wet soya seeds. So now let us start our soup. For this we will require some ghee. So after the pan is hot, you have to add first ghee. You can add it according to your requirement. Okay, we have added ghee. Then we are going to add this coriander, ginger and garlic paste. This is to just demonstrate you that I have used the stalk of the coriander, which can be very well used for this purpose. Usually we throw it, but I am used this specially for preparing the soup. So I am adding this. Added this. Then I am going to add little jeera powder. This is dried coconut. Then I am going to add this soya paste. See the color of the soup. Then I am going to add this cut leaves of onion leaves. Then I have prepared this corn seeds. I'm going to add this. Then I'm going to add water. We can rinse the bowl. See how it looks nice. You can add more water if you require to make the soup thick or thin. Then you have to add salt as per requirement. You can see closely how it looks nice. Close up, it looks very nice. Color. The smell is also very nice. Just allow it to boil. I will just have a test whether salt is okay. You can add it more if it is less. See how the consistency and color. Can again test. Yes, okay. Then you can add coriander leaves. And see, this is very fantastic soup is ready. Children, those who love non-veg, you can tell them that this is pandra rasa and they will like it definitely. So this is like our veg pandra rasa, you can say in short. So it is very tasty and you can serve it now in a bowl. See how nicely it looks. Very nice. You can allow it to boil for some time. So the color is very fascinating. And children will definitely love. So now we'll switch off the gas and we'll pour the soup into the bowl. We'll serve. See how nice it looks. And children will definitely love this. It is very nutritious, very tasty. Yeah. You can see how it looks. Yeah. now our soup is ready to serve, and thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.